So hi guys, so I just wanted to share this new product for my hard disk. This is the TUZKER neoprene gadget pouch or travel organizer or hard disk pouch. I've got this as a pack of two from Amazon for 250 rupees. It's good. It has a good cushion effect with heavy duty zips. It's a soft case with nice cushion. I really recommend it. And it's 7-inch in dimension and it's very lightweight. You can keep all your storage devices like hard disk and everything. As you can see, my hard disk fits this side, the cable and few pen drives. I can keep it very safely inside without worrying for the damage. I've been using this product for past 10 days to about 15 days, 10 to 15 days, and I'll really recommend it. Thank you guys. I'll be sharing the links in the description below. Kindly like, subscribe to Dr. Insights. Take care.